Guys, so I just wanted to get on and explain my awesome new booklet that I made and put together. I will be showing you the front version too, not backwards. It's called A Week with Christ, the greatest story ever told. And I actually started it 12 years ago. I put it together for my young women's group in my church. And I was the secretary at the time, and I worked with my presidency to put together this book that was an incredible labor of love. This is what the original looked like. This was found stock, and it's all, I'll go through more of it and explain some of it. Some of it's stuff we found online, so that's not included in this book, but I included this. I made this for all of the young women in my youth group for Easter, and they each got an Easter egg that would go with the day. And so they could this was what was in the Easter egg, and they could put it on that corresponds with what was talked about. And so it was interactive, and then at the end of the day, because there's 2 things for each day, they could put their thoughts and write their thoughts about it. So I did that ages and ages ago before I could format it in different ways. We didn't have Canva. I didn't have Photoshop. I didn't have anything like that. So I literally print them on a piece of paper, and I individually cut them out to be 4x6s so I could put them in here individually on paper, with the hope that eventually I could do a PDF of it or make it more accessible to sell. A few years ago, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, I was like, you know what, I need to get this out. Things have changed. I can revamp it and all that stuff. So over the last few years, I've been doing little things here and there. And then last year, I finally got it to where I could make a set for my family. And I even did little trinkets for each one. I handmade them all, and I'll show you those too. And then, but for this year to actually sell, to make it more functional, I went with, instead of trinkets, I went with stickers. And then I also am offering a digital download, so you can print the booklet yourself and get whatever booklet you want to put inside it, or however you want to print it. I have it available for 4x6 printing. There's 36 pages. And then eventually, if they do sell, if I do get interest, I do have a kit that will be available to have all of the things to make a charm bracelet, or charm bracelets, necklaces, things like that, to go with all the items. There are 16 items, so that would make a really big charm bracelet, but they will be interchangeable though. And I can talk about that later too. So in this video, I'm going over everything. And then I'll have little snippets here and there to show what else I'm going to do. Okay, so here we have my 2 versions. This was the original. And as you can see, it's very simple. But I painstakingly went through everything, and I went to the craft store probably 3 or 4 times, finding something that would go with each of the days and the scriptures and all of those lovely things. So I have changed a lot, and this is very old. I have changed this a lot over the years. Kept almost all the same stories or miracles in there, but I have changed it a lot. Last year I did one. This is what the front looks like, which it still looks like that, but I did charms, and so I'll just show you. Yeah, so this is for day 1. The first one is a star, which I did all of these with, I don't know if it'll show up. There we go. So I did all of these with UV resin, and I just kind of, see, I found stickers that were just like the one in the original one. Some of them I still had things from the original, but this also had little little gold beads and stuff. So this story is about Jesus's birth and seeing the star, and then this one was about the wise men. So this story that I have, or this week with Christ, goes through his entire life, not just his ministry, but the first few go through his, the first day is for his birth. And then I had for day 2, there's a dove for representing the Holy Ghost when he is baptized. And then I had a jewel for, what does it represent? No, I forgot. Oh, treasure. So we are all treasures in heaven. Let's see. Where your treasure is, there will your heart be also. That's what that represented. So all of these I made so me and my daughter could have charms to put on a bracelet that I made. So I even have a hole in this one, so I can make a charm out of it. I just wanted to make these, and then I never made a charm for myself because I wanted to have them messed up. So anyway, so I had some for each day, and I handmade all of the charms, and I had a lot of fun doing it, investigating and all that stuff. But due to cost and time myself doing it, I did find online a lot of different actual charms that would represent what I am going for. So in the future, if people are interested in charms, I'll do that. But I came up with the sticker idea. So I actually have these that represent each of the days. So I was going to show you what it looks like. So in your kit, you'll get this little booklet that is empty, and you'll get a stack of 4x6s that have all of the days and all of the things that you need. There's 36, which actually I was thinking about adding a couple more because there are a couple of blank pages at the end. So I was thinking maybe I'll just add some blank line pages, so if you want to add more. But then it ends with that, so you can have a complete book. And then on the inside, I didn't put these ones inside. So there's, like, for instance, this is day 1, and it has this teeny tiny little thing that says first star. So you can read it. Then there's a QR code to watch a video that corresponds with this. And then you can, with your kids or yourself or whatever, I have sheets, but I also can cut them out like this. So maybe I'll do the cutout ones. Just put those there, and then find the one that corresponds, which is the star, which is right here. And I did print and cut these myself. I was super excited about it because I did not know how to do that before now. And then you can just put it right there, and you'll have that on there, and then you can put it on with the first day, which, oh yes, which is right here, and I'll explain why that one is blank. So then you have that, but the first page in here is going to have this right here that tells you this week we will have the opportunity to come unto Christ and learn more about him. Each day we'll have videos to watch and or scriptures to read. You'll also have this booklet. For each day there are 2 stickers that correspond with the scripture for you to add to this book, and space for you to write down your thoughts so you can cherish this for years to come. This is meant to be used any time of year and should be referred back to often. So the purpose is to just start it and go through it, but then you already have the stickers and you can keep going back and you can add your thoughts year after year. You can even put more stuff in the back, and you can just kind of reread stuff that you were thinking and just kind of ponder back on it. And I just really love that concept of being able to reread your thoughts and go over the beautiful life of Jesus Christ. And then for day 2 we have the gifts of the wise men. And so then I had gifts, and so then we just put that one on, and it will go right there. So included with the whole kit, like I said, there's this book, and then you'll have a stack of pages, all the stickers, and then I will provide a Sharpie fine tip marker for you to write, which, as you'll see on my page, that I wrote to make sure that it works good. And I'll see if I can find finer tip ones, or if I just prefer to use these ones. I'll kind of explore that a little bit more. But so by the end of the book, you'll have these little stickers that correspond and will remind you of what you learned that day. Again, so we'll have like day 2 for the dove and for treasures in heaven. And then of course you go towards the end and you'll have for day 8, I originally only had 1, but this time I have 2 for Christ is risen and then a resurrected Christ. So as you go on through the whole book, you'll be able to eventually come to day 8. And if you do start this for the Easter season, you can start it on Palm Sunday, and then it will conclude on Easter Sunday. And it's just a really great way to have this full book to refer to. And like I said, the QR codes go right to a beautiful short, most of them are short, video. Some of them are 2 minutes long, some of them are 4 minutes long, 5 minutes long. Anyway, so that is all of that. And then if you don't want to get the stickers, and if you just want to print things yourself, I do actually have the digital copy, which is different. The digital copy, it looks pretty similar. It has different thing in the front, and it has all the same story and the QR code, but there is no place for a sticker. It's just for reading and watching the video, and then if you want to print the things to write also. So it's just more filled with the writing, and it does not have space for a sticker. If you want to add something yourself and create something yourself, that's up to you. So this is what the digital download will look like. So you'll get a zip folder that will give you the JPEGs, so you can print them off at your local photo place. I get these printed at Walmart, Walgreens, Sam's Club, Costco, wherever you can print your photos. You can get these printed, and then you can have your own set. I just ask that you make sure that you have the credits page in the background, because I do give credit for where I got the images and stuff that I'm using. So with that, I will let you go, and you can ask whatever questions you want, and let me know what you think of this labor of love, and I will see you in the next video.